What if the secret to faster recovery, stronger muscles, and better energy wasn't hidden in expensive supplements, but already sitting in your kitchen? Most people don't realize that some of the most powerful recovery foods on Earth aren't modern inventions at all. They're ancient plants your body already knows how to use. From deserts to tropical islands, from mountain cultures to Mediterranean diets, humans have relied on the same natural foods to restore energy, balance electrolytes, and rebuild strength after physical effort. In this video, you're going to discover 10 powerful plants that may completely change the way you think about recovery. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed, because we post powerful science-backed nutrition content every week. Number 1. Coconut water. Natural electrolyte balance and hydration. Coconut water is one of nature's most efficient electrolyte sources. It helps restore hydration and balance key minerals like potassium, sodium, and magnesium after physical activity. Because its natural mineral profile closely resembles the fluid balance of the human body, it is rapidly absorbed and can support more effective rehydration compared to many processed sports drinks. This makes it especially useful after sweating, exercise, or prolonged heat exposure. In addition to hydration, it may also help reduce feelings of fatigue and support overall recovery by replenishing the electrolytes that are lost during physical exertion. Number 2. Banana. Quick potassium plus glycogen energy. Refill bananas have long been one of the most popular recovery foods among athletes, and for good reason. They provide a combination of natural carbohydrates and potassium that helps the body recover after physical activity. During exercise, muscles use stored glycogen as their primary fuel source. The natural sugars and carbohydrates found in bananas can help replenish these energy stores, allowing the body to recover more efficiently and prepare for future activity. Bananas are also rich in potassium, one of the most important electrolytes involved in muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. After sweating, restoring potassium levels can help support normal muscle function and reduce the risk of cramping. In addition, bananas are easy to digest, portable, and require no preparation, making them one of the simplest natural recovery foods available. Their combination of hydration-supporting minerals and fast-acting energy makes them an excellent choice after workouts, long walks, sports, or any physically demanding activity. Number 3. Spinach, rich in magnesium and potassium for muscle recovery. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens and provides several key minerals that support recovery after physical activity. Among its most important nutrients are magnesium and potassium, two electrolytes that play essential roles in muscle function and hydration. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions throughout the body, including energy production, muscle relaxation, and nerve signaling. After intense exercise, adequate magnesium intake may help support normal muscle function and reduce feelings of fatigue. Spinach also supplies a significant amount of potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance and supports healthy muscle contractions. Replenishing potassium after sweating is important for restoring electrolyte balance and supporting recovery. Beyond its electrolyte content, spinach contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and various plant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress produced during physical exertion. This combination of minerals and protective nutrients makes spinach an excellent plant-based food for overall recovery and performance support. Whether added to smoothies, salads, soups, or cooked dishes, spinach is a simple and effective way to provide the body with nutrients that help support recovery naturally. Number 4. Sweet potato restores potassium and muscle glycogen. Sweet potatoes are one of the best natural foods for recovery because they provide both potassium and complex carbohydrates, two nutrients the body needs after physical activity. During exercise, muscles rely on glycogen, stored carbohydrates, for energy. After a workout, replenishing these glycogen stores is an important part of the recovery process. Sweet potatoes provide a steady source of carbohydrates that can help restore energy reserves and support muscle recovery. They are also rich in potassium, an essential electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve function. Since potassium is lost through sweat, consuming potassium-rich foods after exercise can help the body maintain proper electrolyte balance. In addition to their recovery-supporting minerals, Sweet potatoes contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress that can increase after intense physical activity. Naturally filling, easy to digest, and packed with nutrients, sweet potatoes have been a traditional recovery food in many cultures for generations. Their combination of electrolytes, carbohydrates, and antioxidants makes them an excellent choice for restoring energy and supporting overall recovery after exercise. Number 5. Potato, one of the highest natural potassium sources. Potatoes are often overlooked as a recovery food, yet they contain more potassium than many people realize. In fact, they are one of the richest natural sources of this essential electrolyte, making them an excellent choice after physical activity. Potassium plays a critical role in muscle contractions, nerve communication, and fluid regulation throughout the body. Because significant amounts of potassium can be lost through sweat, replenishing this mineral is important for maintaining normal muscle function and supporting recovery. Potatoes are also an excellent source of carbohydrates, which help restore glycogen stores that are depleted during exercise. Rebuilding glycogen is one of the body's top priorities after physical exertion, and potatoes provide an efficient source of energy for that process. Another advantage of potatoes is their high water content, which can contribute to hydration while delivering important recovery nutrients. They also contain vitamin C and other beneficial plant compounds that support overall health and recovery. Simple, affordable, and widely available, potatoes have fueled physically active populations for generations. Their unique combination of potassium, carbohydrates, and hydration-supporting properties makes them one of nature's most effective foods for post-exercise recovery. Number 6. Avocado, potassium and healthy fats for cell recovery. Avocados are unique among recovery foods because they provide a powerful combination of electrolytes and healthy fats. They are particularly rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve function after physical activity. After exercise, the body works to restore electrolyte levels and repair stressed tissues. The potassium found in avocados can help support this process by contributing to normal muscle function and maintaining proper hydration balance. What truly sets avocados apart is their abundance of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are important components of cell membranes and play a role in maintaining healthy cells throughout the body. During recovery, healthy fats help provide long-lasting energy and support the body's natural repair processes. Avocados also contain magnesium, fiber, vitamin E, and various antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress generated during intense physical activity. This broad range of nutrients makes them one of the most complete plant-based recovery foods available. Creamy, satisfying, and nutrient-dense, avocados can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads, blended into smoothies, or served alongside post-workout meals. Their combination of potassium, healthy fats, and protective nutrients makes them an excellent food for supporting recovery and overall physical performance. Number 7. Watermelon, hydration and amino acids for muscle recovery. Watermelon is one of the most refreshing recovery foods in nature. Made up of more than 90% water, it helps replace fluids lost through sweating and supports rehydration after physical activity. In addition to its high water content, watermelon provides potassium, an important electrolyte that helps maintain fluid balance, support nerve function, and regulate muscle contractions. Replacing potassium after exercise is essential for proper recovery and overall performance. Watermelon is also known for containing citrulline, a naturally occurring amino acid that has attracted scientific interest for its potential role in exercise recovery. Citrulline helps support healthy blood flow, which may assist in delivering oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. The fruit also contains vitamin C, lycopene, and other antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress produced during intense physical activity. These compounds contribute to watermelon's reputation as a valuable recovery-supporting food. Naturally sweet, hydrating, and easy to digest, watermelon is an excellent choice after workouts, outdoor activities, or time spent in the heat. Its combination of fluids, electrolytes, and beneficial plant compounds makes it one of nature's most effective foods for post-exercise recovery. Number 8. Celery, natural sodium for fluid balance. Celery is often thought of as a simple vegetable, but it contains one of the nutrients most people overlook when it comes to recovery: natural sodium. While potassium receives much of the attention, sodium is also a critical electrolyte that the body loses through sweat. After physical activity, restoring sodium levels helps the body maintain proper fluid balance and supports effective hydration. Without adequate sodium, the body may have a harder time retaining the fluids needed for recovery. Celery naturally provides sodium along with potassium, creating a combination of electrolytes that work together to support hydration and normal muscle function. This balance can be especially beneficial after exercise, prolonged sweating, or exposure to hot weather. In addition to its electrolyte content, celery contains antioxidants and plant compounds that help support overall health. It is also high in water, making it another food that contributes to hydration while providing valuable nutrients. Crunchy, refreshing, and low in calories, celery has been used for centuries as both a food and a traditional wellness plant. Its natural blend of water, sodium, and potassium makes it a surprisingly effective addition to a recovery-focused diet. Number 9. Tomato, potassium and antioxidants for recovery support. Tomatoes are an excellent recovery food because they provide a combination of electrolytes, hydration, and powerful antioxidants. They are particularly rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, support nerve function, and maintain healthy muscle contractions after physical activity. When the body loses electrolytes through sweat, replenishing potassium becomes an important part of the recovery process. Tomatoes offer a natural way to restore some of these lost minerals, while also contributing to overall hydration, thanks to their high water content. One of the most valuable compounds in tomatoes is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant responsible for their bright red color. Lycopene helps protect cells from oxidative stress, which can increase after intense exercise and prolonged physical exertion. Tomatoes also provide vitamin C and other beneficial plant compounds that support overall health and recovery. Together, these nutrients help the body recover from physical stress while supporting normal cellular function. Whether eaten fresh, blended into juice, added to salads, or cooked into meals, tomatoes are a versatile and nutrient-rich recovery food. Their combination of potassium, hydration, and antioxidants makes them a simple yet powerful addition to a post-exercise diet. Number 10. Dates, fast energy and potassium for post-exercise recovery. Dates have been valued for thousands of years as a natural source of energy, and they remain one of the most effective foods for recovery after physical activity. Their naturally occurring sugars are quickly absorbed, helping replenish energy levels when the body needs fuel the most. During exercise, glycogen stores become depleted as muscles use carbohydrates for energy. Dates provide a concentrated source of carbohydrates that can help restore these energy reserves and support the recovery process. Dates are also rich in potassium, an essential electrolyte that plays a key role in muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. Replacing potassium after sweating helps support normal muscle function and overall recovery. Beyond energy and electrolytes, dates contain fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds that contribute to overall health. Their antioxidant content helps protect cells from oxidative stress that can occur after intense physical exertion. Naturally sweet, portable, and easy to eat, dates have long been used by physically active cultures as a quick source of nourishment. Their combination of fast-acting carbohydrates, potassium, and protective nutrients makes them one of nature's simplest and most effective recovery foods. The best recovery foods don't always come from a supplement bottle. As you've seen, many of the world's most effective electrolyte-rich foods are simple plants that humans have relied on for generations. From the hydration power of coconut water and watermelon to the potassium-rich benefits of bananas, potatoes, and dates, these natural foods help restore the minerals, fluids, and energy your body needs after physical activity. Adding more of these plants to your diet can be a simple way to support hydration, muscle function, and overall recovery, naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which of these recovery foods do you eat most often? Stay healthy.